Ora, my name is Julia and I am the owner of Embroidered Kiwi. Are you using the lovely decorative stitches on your machine? I do hope so. But did you know that you can turn almost any decorative stitch or stitch pattern into a triple stitch by activating the triple stitch? This creates a bold and prominent stitch. Let me show you how. So in here we were at our basic stitches. Now I'm going to go to my decorative stitches and I am going to choose from the first file there. Just scroll down. Now I cannot find it. There it is, 125. Stitch number 125. And I need to turn this into a triple stitch by activating my triple stitch. Let me show you how. First, I'm going to go to my stitch editor or stitch designer. In stitch designer, I'm going to choose from where in the pattern am I going to change my stitch to a triple stitch, and I want to start right at the start. I'm choosing the middle one that looks like that. Now I can see the bottom node is highlighted and I'm using my arrows to scroll up to the start of the stitch or the design, stitch design. But I can also see here that I'm at number 34 out of 34 stitches. So just by scrolling up, and my line turns blue, by scrolling going to the start, I knew now that that is selected, all the nodes or the stitch points where the needle is going to penetrate. Right back to the start. So first, or 1 out of 34, I'm going to activate my triple stitch by picking this icon. It turns yellow, it means it's activated, and then I click the green tick and I'm ready to stitch. Okay, let's look at the stitch pattern or design pattern on the left hand side. This is all stitched as a single go, and now I have changed my pattern to or activated the triple stitch, and let's see how that stitches out. Beautiful prominent pattern. Right, here we have the two stitch patterns stitched out, first as a single stitch, and then after I have activated my triple stitch. Look how bold and beautiful this stitch is. Just think of all the options that open up for you by activating your triple stitch. This is why I love my Bernina.